Psychoanalysis about events and every character on Desire Under the Elms. In this essay, I would like to analyze about psychological in the Desire Under the Elms. This psychoanalysis can be shown through the feeling, the intrinsic and the primitive behavior and personality of the character, so the reader can understand the story well, and the Desire Under the Elms to refer to desire between Eben and Abby, and this essay Eben and Abby character was being analyzed their psychological, and Eben and Abby is the main character of this story. Statement of the problem is, the first is what is the element of personality of Eben and Abby character, and the second is how it related to another character. And the review of the story is, first, psychoanalysis is founded by Freud. Freud is believed that people can be cured by making conscious their unconscious through and motivation to gaining insight. Freud further emphasizes the importance of the unconscious by pointing that even the most conscious processes are conscious for only a short period, quite soon they become lengthened through they can easily become conscious. And according to Freud, there are three elements which compose human mind: ID, ego, and superego. Each of these three elements of personality emerges at different points in life. However, these aspects of personality are dynamic and always interacting with a person to influence an individual overall personality and behavior. First is ID. The ID is the only component of personality that is present from birth. This aspect personality is entirely unconscious and includes the instinctive and primitive behavior. Freud assumes that the ID are a reservoir of primitive instinct and impulse that are the only ultimate motivators for our behavior, and there are two core drive: life, love, or eros, and death, or hate, or aggression, or thanatos. The idea has no time dimension, so the memories are trapped. Their true repression can be as powerful as when the repression even first happened. The idea is governed by the pleasure principle and is irrational. And the second is ego. The ego is a component of personality. This is responsible for dealing with reality. Freud assumed that the ego is the conscious, rational part of the mind which make decisions and deal with external reality. The ego developed from the idea and ensure that the impulse of the idea can be expressed in a manner acceptable in the real world. The ego function is the conscious, preconscious, and the unconscious mind. In this section of the psycho personality, Freud points out to adopt a popular mode of speaking, we might say that the ego stands for reason and good sense, while the ID stands for the untamed. The ego operates based on the reality principle, which strives to satisfy the ID desire in realistic and social appropriate ways. And the third is superego. The superego is the aspect of personality that holds all of one internalized moral standard and ideal that is acquired from both parent and society, the sense of right and wrong, and the superego provides the guidelines for making judgment. Freud said the representative of all moral restriction, the advocate of the impulse toward perfection. In short, it is as much as we have been able to operate psychological of what people call the higher things in human life. Analysis. The ego is the element of Eben and Abby personality that is responsible for dealing with reality. The ego operate based on the reality principle which strive to satisfy the ID desire in realistic and social appropriate ways. The reality principle weighs to cause and benefit for an action before deciding to act upon or abandon impulse. Eben makes a plan to get the property for himself because he strongly believes that his mother worked hard and died for the farmhouse. He gets informed that his father, Mr. Cabot, married again and wants to taking his new wife into the home. However, Abby marries Mr. Cabot only to get the property to secure her future. And at the end, Abby and Eben falling in love with each other, but Eben tries to leave Abby and Abby don't want to if Eben leave her, so she makes decision to kill her baby so Eben can back to with her again, and he element that and the element that have effect to another is the relationship between Eben and his stepbrother when they want to share the farm, but Eben said that it is his own, and the relation between Eben and his father. Eben hate his father because he think that his father was killed his mother. And the conclusion, there are three elements of psychological name is ID, ego, and superego. The ID is the only component of personality that is present from birth. This aspect of personality is entirely unconscious and includes instinctive and primitive behavior, and the ego operates based on the reality principle which strives to satisfy the ID desire in realistic and social appropriate ways. The superego is the aspect of personality that holds all of one's internalized moral standard and ideal that is acquired from both parent and society. The sense of right and wrong and the character psychology can use the ego because the main character need to take action before deciding something and they're realistic with what they want to get.